In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vertical tabs in Firefox and switch back to horizontal tabs in just a few quick steps. If you've opened Firefox and noticed your tabs are now showing on the side instead of across the top, don't worry, this is easy to fix. This guide is perfect if you want a cleaner layout, a more familiar browsing experience, or you simply turned on vertical tabs by accident. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From the list of options, select Settings. This will take you into Firefox main settings area, where you can control different browser features and appearance options. Once settings opens, look for the section called Tabs and Browsing. Click on the Tabs and Browsing to view the tab layout settings. Here, you should see the option for tab placement or tab style. Find the setting for horizontal tabs and select it. This changes Firefox from vertical tabs back to the standard tab bar across the top of the browser. As soon as you choose horizontal tabs, the browser layout should update right away, and your tabs will move back to the top where most users expect them to be. If the change doesn't appear instantly, just refresh Firefox or close and reopen the browser, and the new layout should be active. And that's it! You've now turned off vertical tabs in Firefox and restored horizontal tabs in a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Firefox tip.